Cutting and material sorting slowing down your production line? Here's a smarter way to speed up your process from the very first step. The SM344 automatic defect cutting and material sorting machine delivers a complete scan, cut, sort solution in a single pass. Its biggest advantage is the fully automatic sorting system after cutting, ensuring every piece is grouped by size accurately, with no mix-ups and no need for manual sorting, significantly reducing labor dependency. The SM344 features 6 intelligent cutting modes, allowing optimization by cutting value, quantity, material length priority, length optimization, chalk line cutting, or sequential cutting, giving manufacturers the flexibility to adapt to different production requirements. Powered by servo-driven cutting system, the machine achieves stable and efficient operation, increasing productivity 4 to 5 times compared to manual cutting. High-quality sensors and pneumatic components ensure cutting accuracy within plus or minus 1 millimeter, meeting the demands of continuous industrial production. With CNC-based optimization technology, the SM344 precisely identifies defect positions and automatically optimizes cutting paths, minimizing material waste and maximizing yield. The machine is designed with comprehensive safety protection for operators and offers reliable performance with low maintenance requirements. Most importantly, all cut materials are automatically sorted and ready for the next process, especially for finger jointing or wood panel assembly lines. No resorting, no additional labor, just a smooth and fully synchronized production flow from the very beginning. Contact QUOC today to get professional consultation and find the right solution for your factory.